If you want to connect printer on POCO F7, then all you have to do is open settings. Now in settings, we're gonna go to more connectivity options, and after that you should be able to find the printing option. Now over here we have two choices by default. We're gonna go to system printing service in order to try to find your printer over here. You might be able to immediately detect it, of course, however, it is possible that you won't be able to do so. If that's the case, then you can also try Mi Home. This can especially be useful if you have a Xiaomi printer, for example. So probably you want to go over here in order to find your printer and connect with it. If not, you can also go to Add Service in order to open the Play Store, where we can find a bunch of different plugins for different printers. So you want to select the proper app or additional plugin that can help you detect your printer. And in some cases, we also have very specific apps for printers. So essentially, you want to check the user manual of your printer in order to find an information, if there is any information, of course, about connecting the printer with your smartphone. As most likely, there will be a mention of the app name that you need to download from the Play Store in order to connect your printer with your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.